Victor Spiritual Teachings, Chapter 17, Inner Wisdom. At the beginning of spiritual awakening, almost innumerable questions arise in the mind of the awakened one. He thirsts to know more about himself, the meaning of life and existence. Most of these questions are of a spiritual nature, and for most people there is a great curiosity to know everything about the spiritual side of man. That will happen after death, and where to go after this earthly life is over. This curiosity and the search for answer to all these questions is a certain driving force in the spiritual opening that leads the person forward in the process. Curiosity varies among people, and therefore the drive and enthusiasm are different. But as mentioned before, everything has its time and everyone controls their own pace in spiritual opening. As previously mentioned, the search for all these questions begins in books, in lecture, and on social media, as well as in the group work of various kinds that is now vitally available. One of the things that many people realize is that the information and answer that are found often contain a great contradictions. This can be very confusing for the person who is just beginning to learn about spirituality, and it can be difficult to gain knowledge and perspective. Teacher can also appear to be at odds in their teachings. Then the questions arises. What is the right and what is the wrong? What and who should we believe? Also, the choice of materials that the awakened person is looking for varies and changes rapidly as the opening grows. This can be compared to the curriculum in school that changes between classes as the knowledge and the skills increases. Therefore, this search for answer can take a lot of time in the process and be constantly changing depending on how the spiritual journey progresses. When one answer is found, 5 new questions often arise. In fact, one does not have to look far in the search for answers to all these questions that may arise, because the answers are all within each one and lie in the wisdom of the soul. Therefore, it is best to use meditation to find the answers you are looking for. As before, it's good to sit down and breathe slowly through the nose into the abdominal cavity. Hold your breath there for a moment and then breathe out slowly. And then continue this rhythm without any effort or conflict. Allow your breath to flow effortlessly. It is a good idea to ask yourself the question you want answer to before proceeding. Then empty the mind completely and draw in the energy of God through the crown chakra and as far down as possible, which depends on how far the spiritual opening has come. If the person manages to empty the mind, then a connection to the soul is achieved, and from there come the answers to all the questions that arise. This information comes from the fountain of wisdom of the soul as well as the wisdom of the universe. The person feels and senses when such things happen, and then he does not have to doubt the answer that comes to him in this way. This is the only truth that is untraceable. Through practice, you learn to empty your mind and access this wisdom when desired. Then you do not need any books or teaching because everything is within you and is there when requested. It is good to use walks to empty the mind, and then information and answers can emerge. Gradually the number of questions decreases, and the person who has no further questions has managed to awaken the soul, and it has merged with the person's minds, and the opening is complete. He who has achieved this has no questions, for now he perceives the answer and is full of wisdom. It can take time to get answers to certain questions, and often they can come a few days later. But when one is trained and learns to empty the mind, the soul's fountain of wisdom opens and becomes easier to approach over time. A true spiritual teacher who has learned to connect with the fountain of wisdom of the soul, and thus the fountain of wisdom of all things, does not need any books or external information in his teaching, because everything comes from within and from above. The same applies to the one who has opened spiritually, and in the end there are no questions and the search for them stops. There will no longer be a need for attend classes and spiritual lectures or find educational material on social media. The answers to all the questions that were at the beginning of the awakening have come, and the one who has opened has received them. It takes patience and training to find and access the soul fountain of wisdom, but with training in meditation and emptying the mind, it will go faster and easier every day. He who seeks the fountain of wisdom of the soul will eventually find it, and thereby gain a deep understanding of himself, his purpose, as well as that of other people, and life and existence as a whole. He will see the big picture like an open book. This deep understanding is the wisdom of all that is, and it gives the person eternal freedom from the suffering of earthly life. Information and answers also comes through dreams, which is one way to convey information to the person. It is good to be aware of your dreams and learn to recognize when it comes to information dreams. But there are dreams that the person remembers well and are clear, and in them there is information or a strong message. Strong colors can often be discerned in these dreams, and most of the time these are dreams that are not forgotten. It is a good idea to write down one's dreams in the morning and keep a specific dream journal. Dreams contain a lot of wisdom and information that the person can use in the spiritual opening, because many dreams are a guide for those who learn to understand and analyze them. As the person opens more spiritually, such message and information dreams will increase dramatically. So it is good to be aware of your dreams and learn to use the information in them to your advantage.